Hello mi gente bella and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be trying on and swatching my lips. I'm going to do this for you because I'm going to be trying Amanda Ensing's brand new makeup line. It's called Elevate Beauty. These are the new matte lip edits. If you guys want to see what these colors look at me, then keep on watching. This is what the packaging looks like. I did swatch them because I just had to swatch them. I just needed to find the perfect lip liner for two of these liquid lipsticks or matte lip edits. This retails for $24. It's made in USA, cruelty-free, vegan, non-comedogenic, sulfate-free, and it's also phthalate free. I will put it somewhere right here. She's only shipping US only, and I'm sure as the time goes by and as her brand gets bigger, she will be able to ship outside United States. So let's cross our fingers for that. You're gonna find the name right here on top of the box. It's super sleek, and these are the colors that she is known for. Her brand has like that olive green, very aesthetically pleasing. I just love how it feels. Also, what I noticed is that you could find the letter E of her brand right here on the top, which is pretty sleek and aesthetically pleasing. Also, there's a message inside the box and it says Esther 414, and as soon as you open it you can see the dollful brush. It does have a light coconut scent, which I absolutely love. There are two shades that are going to be a little bit dark for my lips. Definitely do need it for my brown skin. So let's go right ahead and swatch this. To say that all of them, they blend out beautifully. They were able to cover my pigmentation on my lip, which is absolutely amazing. I just really wanted to finish with this one because this is like a showstopper. This is, you're demanding somebody to like look at you and be like, okay, who is she? She's bringing a bold lip and she's here for it. What was your favorite shade out of all of these? Let me know down below. I wish you would have came out with a lip liner so it would have paired out nicely, especially with people that are 10 or deeper skin tones. Just because these first two shades that I tried on, you definitely want to pair it up with a lip liner because otherwise it would completely wash me off. But I'm sure she's gonna come up with this lip liner, and I'm sure they're gonna be just as amazing, if not better, than the liquid lipstick, and they're gonna pair up beautifully. I cannot wait to see upcoming products launching in the future, and I am sending all my love. I'm sending all the good vibes to you. Other than that, I think these are absolutely amazing. I wanted to support Amanda on this because she was one of the first persons that we follow each other, and this is in the beginning of our YouTube journey. So it is so nice and so refreshing to see someone, no matter who you are, what you believe, it doesn't matter. As long as we are respectful to one another, I'm all about supporting people's dreams. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys love and enjoyed it and we made it to the end, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I'll be uploading. I'll be uploading. I'll be uploading next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.